You're part of a team facing a critical decision: attack or retreat. The challenge? You're spread out, unable to communicate directly. Messages have to be sent through unreliable channels, and there's no guarantee they haven't been tampered with. This isn't just a war story, it's the Byzantine Generals Problem, one of the most intriguing puzzles in computer science and game theory. It highlights a fundamental challenge: how do individuals in a decentralized system reach consensus when trust is off the table? The Byzantine Generals Problem illustrates the chaos of trying to achieve agreement in the face of potential treachery. The generals represent nodes in a distributed network, like the internet. Messages between them are vulnerable to delay, distortion, or deceit. This unpredictable behavior is referred to as Byzantine faults. Now, fast forward to the digital age. This same problem plagues decentralized systems like cryptocurrencies. Enter the concept of Byzantine fault tolerance, or BFT, a system's ability to keep functioning correctly even when some participants act maliciously. The breakthrough came in 2008 with Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper introduced a revolutionary solution: the Nakamoto consensus. It combined two powerful ideas. First, proof of work, where participants or miners expend computational resources to validate transactions. This makes dishonesty expensive and cooperation rewarding. This ingenious system turned the Byzantine Generals Problem from a theoretical dilemma into a practical, scalable solution. It paved the way for today's blockchains, enabling trustless networks to thrive without central oversight. And it's not just Bitcoin. Countless blockchains have adapted or evolved these principles to suit their needs, creating diverse ecosystems of innovation. So the next time you hear someone dismiss cryptocurrencies as a fad, remember this: they're built on solutions to a centuries-old question of trust and coordination, and that's the kind of battle worth winning.